Create and sell custom products with Printify, the easy way to power your Amazon store. Design t-shirts, mugs, and more without holding inventory. Printify handles production and shipping so you can focus on creating and selling. Connect it to Amazon and start building your brand with ease. So hello everyone, so in today's video I will show you guys on how to use Printify on Amazon. So without further ado, let us begin. But before we start, you should have accounts on both Printify and Amazon. But for Amazon, you will need to have an Amazon seller account. So the link or the website for the Amazon seller account is sellercentral.amazon.com. So once you're here, just simply create an account right here so that you can now have a seller account in Amazon. So after creating a seller account on Amazon, there are some requirements or documents that you will need to upload so that you'll be verified and suitable in selling products in Amazon. So yeah, so let's just go back to Printify right here. So the first thing that we're going to do first is to just simply create our store. So just simply go to store right here at the top, click on add new store. There you go. Afterwards, you can now connect it directly right here in Amazon just by clicking on this link. But before we start, let's just simply start by creating our product. Okay, so the first thing that we're going to do first is just simply create our product. So to do that, just go to the dashboard right here, go to this section, just simply click on it. And then from here, it will ask you, how do you want to create your next product? So select from these hand-picked categories to start or create again using your most recent product. So here you can explore Printify Choice, browse their bestsellers, or try leading profit makers. So I'll just browse their bestsellers right here. And then from here, we can sell t-shirts as an example. So for example, I'll be using this one. So I'll just click on it. There you go. And then from here, let's just simply start designing this shirt. So I'll just click on start designing right here at the bottom. There you go. So in here, we can now start designing our shirt. So in the right side over here, you can also add variants right here for your product. So just simply click on select variants right here. And then from here, you can select all the sizes of your products right here. So for example, I'll just make it up until XXL. There you go. You can also add colors right here. So for example, I'll just make the background color as white. So yep. Next, we can now start designing our product. So in here, you can use their AI right here to add designs for your product. So you can add like anime, image generated photos, photographic, digital art, and etc. What you can also do is add text. So as an example, I'll just be adding text right here. There you go. Let's just wait for it to load. So this right here is only the front side of the shirt. So let's just wait for the text to load in. So there's the text. So in here, we can now start designing our text right here. So just simply click on the text that you've added. There you go. Double click on it. And then from there, you can now start changing the text. So as an example, I'll just name it sample. There you go. What you can also do is resize it if it's too big. So yep, there you go. Let's just resize it. There you go. Next, let's try to change the text right here in the circle. So just double click on it again. And then from here, you can now start changing the text again. So as an example, I'll just name these sample. There you go. Let's just change all of the words. There you go. Then there you go. So as you can see, it's quite a bit small. So let's just resize it. And then there you go. So this right here is only for the front side of the shirt. So as you can see right here at the bottom, says right here front side. So you can move to the back side as well. So there you go. So as an example, we can add graphics right here. So let's say I want to add this graphic. Just select it and then just wait for it to load again. You can resize it if you want to. So there you go. There you go. So moving on, so we have the right sleeve over here. So let's just simply add a graphic right here on the right sleeve. So for example, I'll just use this one right here. So I'll just click on it. There you go. You can resize it if you want to. So there you go. Next is the left sleeve. Let's try to add another graphic right here in the left sleeve as well. So as an example, I'll just add the sleeve right here. Resize it. You can also rotate it if you want to. And then there you go. Next is for the collar. So let's just try to add text right here in the collar. So I'll just select this font. I'll just rename the font as sample. So there you go. Let's resize it so that it will fit in the white section. Center it as well. And then there you go. Afterwards, what you can also do is view all areas. So just simply click on all areas right here. And then there you go. So this is what your product will look like in all areas. So starting here, this one is for the front section, the back section, the right sleeve, the left sleeve, and the collar. And then when you click on preview right here, it will show you a preview on what your shirt will look like. So here is the front view, here is the back view, then here's a person wearing it in the front view. There you go. Here's a person wearing it on the back view. There you go. Here is a person wearing it in the left view, the right view, this view right here, which is called context, and then a close-up view right here on the collar section. So there you go. Afterwards, what you can also do is change the background color of your shirt. So just simply click on background color right here, and then you can choose from the selected colors right here, or just simply add a hex code right here at the bottom. So for example, make it purple. So there you go. So this is what it will look like. Then what you can do is go back to preview right here to see what your shirt will look like in this color. So yeah, there you go. So this is what the shirt will look like in the color purple. Okay, so once you're done customizing your shirt right here, just simply click on Save Product. And then there you go. Nice work. Time to add it to your store. So you can also create another product right here if you're planning to add additional products, or you can do an order sample. There you go. Click on order sample right there. And there you go. So this is what it will look like. So I'll just discard this order. And there you go. We now have our product right here. So as you can see right here that the status says it is unpublished. So what we're going to do now is to publish this product. So just simply click on it. There you go. And then from here, you can edit out some details right here of your product, like the product name and the description of your product. You can also set the pricing right here as well at the bottom. And then you'll also see your profit margin. And then there you go. So yeah, so once you're ready to publish your product, just simply click on publish right there. And then here, it will ask you to connect to a sales channel to publish. So in here, just simply click on view all sales channels right there. And as you can see over here, they have an Amazon section. So just simply click on Amazon right there. And then there you go. First, it will ask you to create your store. To get started, you will need Printify store to connect with Amazon. So you can create and name a new store or use an existing store if you already have one. So just simply add your store name right here. So you can either create a new store name or you can use an existing Printify store. So for me, I'll just create a new store right here. So I'll just name it My Amazon Store. So there you go. Then you can connect it if you want to. So yeah, there you go. Afterwards, it will ask you to connect to an Amazon account. So again, I told you guys earlier to create a seller central.amazon.com account. So yeah, you can sign up right here. And then you will need again to upload documents so that you'll be suited or verified to start selling on Amazon. So once you're here, it will ask you to select your target market. So just simply click on I have an Amazon seller account right here, and then simply click on connect. And then it will redirect you here to this website in where you will sign in your Amazon seller account. So just simply sign in that account. And then afterwards, it will now ask you to request a GTIN exemption. So there you go. So for the last step right here for the GTIN exemption, this is what it will look like. So every Amazon product must be allocated a GTIN number, but you can request an exemption since the products sold through Printify do not have one. So to request an Amazon exemption, please visit your Amazon seller profile. So you will see this GTIN exemption right here within your Amazon seller profile. And then once you've requested a GTIN exemption, just simply click on this box right here, and then just simply click on complete setup. And then there you go. You can now start selling products or Printify products on your Amazon seller account. And then after that, you are pretty much done. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to use Printify with Amazon. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more tech tips. That is all.